Oh hey! Hi! Welcome to my apartment. Well, this is the living room. So, welcome to my living room. We got a couch, my travel wall. We had to take down the front door downstairs to get this couch in. It was a lot of work. We got this giant chest thing, stuff in there, you know. And then we got my TV, it's mounted on the wall. I took this photo. Pretty nice photo. This light from IKEA, it's pretty cool. And then in here is my kitchen. We got this thing from IKEA, that thing from Canadian Tire. It has my microwave on there, where I keep all my tools and such. And then in here is my fridge, big fridge, cabinets, sink. Okay, and then my busy board, done. My bedroom. Okay, so this is my bedroom. It has a bed in it. Basically, this is where I do all my editing. Like, I have this lovely view of a back lot. I have a Chinese divider. And here is my messy bathroom. This is like where I keep all my camping stuff. Like, yeah, this is the toilet. My bathtub, you know, it's wet. Yeah, so this is my apartment. Yeah, thanks for watching this video. I hope you like my little apartment tour. Please like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. Comment below what videos you want to see so I can maybe try and do them. And remember, always choose your own adventure. Oh, I wasn't expecting you.